What is up? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I am trying this vlog thing out again. So last year I ran into an issue, right? I was super stoked about creating this vlog, and then the pandemic hit, and the vlog was supposed to be a lot of like me traveling, getting this like cinematic video and just doing like the most. And I kind of put it off the whole like last year because of that, and I tried to do it, I think it was in June, July of last year as well, and make it a little more personable, a little more rough, but I never fell through. But I'm back and I really want to push this because I want to share with y'all what happens on, you know, the business end of running a business full-time, and all the other things that come with it, and just my personal journey as well. I think there's like a lot that goes on that you don't really get to see on Instagram, that you don't see on TikTok, that you don't see on Twitter. And for people that are just tuning in, my name is Joey Montoya. I am 27 years old. I had to think about it. I'm 27 years old and I run a business called Urban Native Era. And we are a clothing brand that specializes in clothing design and content to increase the visibility of Indigenous peoples. And I also like to do other stuff besides that, and I want to share that with you through here. I hope y'all stick around. Please, like I said, like the video, subscribe. Again, this is like a rough first video, but I wanted to get it out today, so I hope this is cool. I hope this is chill. Homemade salsa. Homemade salsa.
Let me tell you about me. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you. I just worry about me. So you better run, run. You don't know what I mean. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. Funny cause I'm not quick deep. I don't care about you. I just care about me. So you better run, run.
Ooh, just like that, this looks so good. This might be salsa for the week. Look at that, yo, this looks so delicious. All right, I think I'm good. All right, the salsa is done. Super delicious. I really enjoyed it. It was one of the best salsas I've made thus far. If you want the ingredients, I'm gonna post them in the caption, so check it out. But I gotta run. I got a lot of work to do, and I can't spend all day making salsa and cooking in the kitchen. So I'll see y'all. Peace. All right, so it is 2 a.m. in the morning. I don't know why I'm whispering because I live by myself, but it's 2 a.m. I'm gonna get to work, and after this I'll probably run, work out, and cook food. I have a talk with Jenny Rochetti on Clubhouse at 12 at noon, so that's gonna be exciting. But after that, we're gonna head to the warehouse, have a few meetings, and then I'm gonna go live for our big winter sale that happens and starts today. So come check it out, come follow. Let's do this. Cool. Cool. All right. Sure, want a Whataburger?
I'm rocking you and easy.
Like, don't laugh at me, dude.
Bum deal.
Like, we're matching either way.
Yeah. Hello. Urban Native Era started a live video. Cool. That's neat.
Hello.
Hi, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
We're here to hang out and chat, talk about the winter sale. It's an annual thing. It's like everything else we celebrate annually. Is the hummingbird outline, so it can change colors, but it's just the outline of that same hummingbird. And this is our poem tee, which we actually released last year, but it's sold out, and so we reordered it. Actually, this is a second reorder too, just like the unofficial powwow tee. Sold out twice, in stock right now. I wrote the poem on the back. If you can see, it looks like a feeder.
Why don't you read the poem?
I would like for you to read it.
Want me to read it?
Yeah,
Okay, let's see.
in your slam poetry voice.
Let me get my glasses here. Okay, what is it that takes you there? To inspire, you see them do it. It all seems so hard, you could never. What is it they do? What is so much? No.
You'll go and then I guess they start the room. I'll go in there right now.
Okay, I'll see you there.
Alright,
Alright, peace.
bye.
We're we're getting things ready, y'all. I'm excited. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is.
It's going good. I'm gonna mute myself really quick and like let you, I guess, do a small intro.
Okay, sounds good. Cool. All right, hey everyone. We got a few people on. We got Ivan in the room, Jade and Drew. Welcome. I'm really excited. First off, to begin this conversation. I think it's been a long time coming to just dive right into fashion and business and really what pushes and motivates both of us. But in these videos that you probably saw right before this, I went into jumping in the water early in the morning, making some salsa, and going on Clubhouse, talking with Jenny Richetti, and then doing a live video with Huddleberry Finn for the brand. And those are just some things that kind of go on. There's a lot more that goes into the scene, but I'm excited to keep up with this vlog and continue to share. And I hope y'all are ready for all these things. I'm excited to like give y'all what y'all want. Whatever y'all want to learn about, and just kind of share my story and my journey as a creative, as an entrepreneur, and just like on my way to being the best I can be. So you're gonna see a lot more of improvement for sure in the next videos, and stay tuned. Every week I'm gonna be dropping some videos, and I hope y'all continue to follow and support. If you don't already, please follow me at Joey, JoeyMontoya, Joey Montoya on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, all those things. If you have any questions, leave some in the comments. I really want to see what y'all are thinking about, wondering about. Anyways, I'm gonna sign off. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm putting together this new spot before people are ready to come visit. So I need to go pick up a chair, an accent chair, and I'm gonna do that in a little bit. Maybe I'll take y'all there as well. But anyways, stay frosty, stay chill. Peace out, y'all. Peace.